good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the title, today we are adding a front lip to the 440i. It should be a very quick and easy install. We did get the front lip from RW Carbon. I just love RW Carbon. They can be a little expensive, but to me it's worth it because they look really good and they are really quality pieces. Also, another thing, we have a photo shoot today, well, a car photo shoot. So we're gonna be doing like some roller videos, pictures, everything like that. So that's why I kind of want to get the front lip on today. That way it'll be in the photo shoot today. Not rushing or anything, but I do want to get that lip on as soon as possible. It shouldn't take that long though, probably like 30 minutes to an hour. The photo shoot is later on today, so we got plenty of time. But yeah, so let's head down to the garage and we're gonna go ahead and put that front lip on. Okay, so first, what we have to do is clean the front bumper because we don't want to put the new lip on and it be dirty and then it doesn't stick like it should. So first thing we're gonna do is clean the front bumper. So what I wanted to do was wash the whole car, but this whole week it's just been rainy and stormy, so just clean the front bumper and then just go ahead and install the front lip. Now that it's clean, we're gonna pull out the front lip and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. As always, RW Carbon with the beautiful carbon fiber. All their products look like really clean, really good, and I'm not gonna lie, they are a little expensive, but I feel like it's always worth it. All right, so they do come with these screws here. If the camera focuses, yeah, they do come with these screws, but we might not end up using these because I don't think they're long enough. So we might end up switching out to some self-tapping screws, but we'll see how it is first, and then we'll decide on whether we'll use these screws or not. First, what we're gonna do is just set it up against the bumper to see how we want it to be fitted in place, and then we'll go from there. All right, so what I decided to do, I'm gonna put 3M tape on both sides of the lip and then fit them on. And then once I do that, then I'll end up putting the screws in. I definitely do recommend having a second person helping because it's kind of hard, but I don't have anybody else to help me right now. So we're gonna figure this out. Let's put the 3M tape on there and get those fitted on. And then once we get the 3M on, then we'll end up putting the screws in. All right, so we got the 3M on both sides. Last thing we need to do is we need to wipe underneath with some alcohol just to make sure we get all the dirt and dust off of it. So yeah, after we wipe it down, we're gonna try to fit this on again. So let's get to it. All right, so now that we got the 3M on here, we're gonna fix the other side to where the 3M is on, just like how this one is on. And then once we get that side fixed over there, then we're gonna go ahead and put the screws in. All right, now that we got front lip fitted on both sides. What we're gonna do is put the screws in and then we should be done. All right, so we come across a slight dilemma. All right, so we got these front screws in right here and these back screws, but the front screws are kind of loose because it's kind of deep. As you can see, it's a long channel right there. And the bit that I got is kind of small. So I'm gonna have to go in the house and find a longer bit so we can screw this one all the way in. And also these, there's like screws that go, you can see the little hole right there. But it's kind of hard to get it because this hole underneath, it's kind of like, there's a hole underneath and it's kind of at an angle and it's like real deep, and then it comes all the way to right here. So we're gonna have to figure out how, or might have to go buy a bit that's long enough to get this screw in. But everything else is good for the most part. Like, we got the back screws in. We just need to tighten up these front screws and then get these screws in, and then we'll be good to go. All right, we just got back from the store. I had to go get this drill bit thing. I needed other drill bits anyways, but most preferably we need these long drill bits right here so we can go ahead and get them screws in. So we're about to knock them screws in real quick and then we should be done. So hopefully they're long enough to get them to fit. So we can go ahead and wrap this up real quick. Let's go ahead and finish. All right, so we are officially done fitting the lip on the car, and honestly, it looks way better than I even expected. Like, I knew it was gonna look good, but this just puts it over the top. Like, it looks so good. Another update too, we also did change out the reflectors on the car. They were that little orange, you know, the stock color reflectors. We swapped those out. I told you guys about the emblems on the rims and the gold wheels itself. But yeah, man, all together, it's like the build is coming together. I believe next, I'm gonna go ahead and get the diffuser for the back and the exhaust tips to give it a more aggressive look back here. But yeah, the car is really coming together. I'm really happy with the results. Yeah, I'm just so happy that it's all coming together like I thought it would. But that's gonna be it for this video right here, you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell to make sure you keep up with all the videos I'm gonna be dropping. And I'm also gonna be dropping an exhaust video soon because I did just get a muffler delete. So I'll do a video on that too. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Peace out.